Hello, welcome back to another coding math tutorial. Today we will be doing Map-2 firstChar. The problem reads, given an array of non-empty strings, return a map string, string with a key for every different first character seen, with the value of all the strings starting with that character appended together in the order they appear in the array. So if we look at the first example, the first string of the array is salt. We would make a new key in the map, which would be S, because S is the first letter of that word. The word salt would then be added as the value of the key S. The same thing would be applied to the next word T, except the key of the map, the new key of the map would be the letter T, because that's the first letter of this word. Then the next word is soda. As we could see, the first letter of this word is S, and it already exists in the map. So what we would do is append this string with the already existing string of value of the map S. And then the same thing would be applied to the next word toast. So we would start this problem by making a map and then what we would want to do is loop through the given string array. And then we want to check if the first letter of the string at index I exists in the map. If it exists, then we append it to the already existing value of the key. And if the key doesn't exist, then we would just add a new key. So we would start with the if map contains key strings at index I dot substring 0, 1. We use substring because we could see that the problem wants to return a map with string, string, and we access the first, we access the key using strings. So we would have to use substring, not char at, because we want to use strings. So if it contains this key, then we would just append it to the already existing value. So we do map.put strings at I.substring, that's the key, comma, map.get, we're getting the already existing value, at strings at I.substring, and then we append it to the new strings at index I. So if the key does not exist inside the map, then we would just add a new map.put string at index I dot substring 0, 1, and then the value would be strings at index I. And then we would return this map. So if we try running this, then we would get all of them correct. Thank you for watching.